Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Fgo Jp account is accessible and linked to an ID. Next, make sure you have 2-3 GB free storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection. These prevent patch failures. Once done, switch your device to a Japan VPN or sign into a Japan App Store/Google Play account so the regional update appears. Do this now so the client can fetch the proper JP patch and avoid mismatched versions that block login. You proceed by triggering the store update or launching Fgo to prompt the in-client launcher. Allow the launcher to download supplemental files and wait until progress reaches 100%. Incomplete downloads cause checksum errors. If on Android, update Google Play services and Android system WebView first because the game relies on them. Make sure background tasks are minimized so downloads aren't throttled. This reduces corruption risk. And once the data finishes, you finish by restarting the game and your device to finalize file registration. This often resolves lingering asset errors. After restart, check the title screen version to confirm the update applied, then log in. If you still see download loops or communication errors, clear the app cache, then retry. If that fails, reinstall the app or switch VPN endpoints to Japan and run the launcher again. These steps fix most issues. If not, preserve your transfer code and contact support through the game client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.